Who really built Stonehenge? Aliens, giants, or just humans? Let's set the scene. Imagine you're walking across the rolling hills of England. Maybe you're sipping tea, minding your own business, when suddenly, bam! You stumble upon a giant circle of massive stones that look like a prehistoric IKEA project gone rogue. Welcome to Stonehenge, baby. This ancient monument, older than your grandma's grandma's grandma, has been standing there for more than 4,000 years, quietly enduring rain, sheep, and conspiracy theories. But who built it? And more importantly, why does everyone keep blaming aliens? Part 1. The classic aliens did it theory. Ah yes, aliens, our universal scapegoats. According to some corner of the internet logic, Stonehenge was obviously built by extraterrestrials. Why? Because, the rocks are really big? This theory usually goes like this. There's no way humans could have moved 25-ton stones without lasers, anti-gravity, or alien forklifts. Right. Because the people who invented the wheel, agriculture, and fire definitely had no clue how to drag a rock. Let's get one thing straight. Just because ancient humans didn't tweet about their progress doesn't mean they weren't smart. They had engineering skills, teamwork, and something modern humans seriously lack: patience. Part 2. The truth is heavy. Literally. So how did they actually build it? First, let's talk about the stones. There are two main types. Sarsen stones, big, bulky ones weighing up to 30 tons. Blue stones, smaller but still beefy, and they were dragged from Wales over 150 miles away, on foot, with ropes, and maybe a few bruises. No alien hovercrafts, no tractor beams, just good old-fashioned human grit. They probably used wooden sledges, rollers, and lubricated tracks. Think ancient construction site, but with fewer hard hats and more wool tunics. The layout? It's astronomically aligned, literally. The stones mark the summer solstice sunrise and winter solstice sunset, which means this wasn't just a rock garden. It was a calendar, a ritual site, and possibly an ancient druid hangout. Part 3. But what about the giants? Oh, right. Giants. Some medieval legends claim Stonehenge was built by giants from Africa, brought to Ireland by the wizard Merlin. Yes, that Merlin. And then magically moved to England. This story is brought to you by the 12th century and a total lack of fact-checking. Still, it's a cute mental image. Merlin with his beard, zapping rocks across the Irish Sea while sipping mead. But historical records and archaeology say otherwise. There's zero evidence of giants, unless you count basketball players. Part 4. Humans. The original overachievers. Here's the wildest part. The people who built Stonehenge didn't have machines. They didn't have metal tools. They didn't even have roads. But they had something else. Community. It's estimated that it took hundreds of people working together over centuries to complete. That's like passing down a group project from your great-great-granddad all the way to your future nephew. And they actually finished it. We're talking about a civilization that planned ahead, cared deeply about the sky, the seasons, and whatever divine forces they believed in. They didn't need Wi-Fi to feel connected to the universe. Part 5. So why the obsession with aliens? Simple. It's more exciting to believe that aliens came down, dropped some rocks, and bounced back to Alpha Centauri than it is to believe that humans worked really hard. And honestly, we get it. It's comforting to think someone smarter or greener was in charge. But when we dismiss ancient achievements as alien handiwork, we're underestimating the incredible ingenuity of our own species. Stonehenge wasn't a gift from space. It was a gift from our ancestors to remind us that we're capable of doing amazing things when we stop doom scrolling and start building. Final thoughts: rocks, myths, and reality. So who built Stonehenge? Not aliens, not giants, not time travelers, just humans. Brilliant, stubborn, dirt under the fingernails humans. They stared at the stars, dreamed big, and decided to move mountains. Literally. So next time you see a massive stone monument and think, there's no way humans could have done that, maybe take a moment and remember. They did. And they probably did it without electricity or pizza, which is more impressive than anything the History Channel has to offer at 3 a.m.